Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Taslima Art. It's really lovely to have you here. Do take a look at some of my other tutorial videos on my channel, and if you like what you see, do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. A very warm welcome and a big thank you to you all for joining us on the Fluid Art Express again this week. Up before me was our wonderful guest artist this week called Addie from Addie Art in France. If you missed her, please do go back and watch. And hit that subscribe button to show us some love. Today I'll be doing something a little new for you. It's the floral balloon dip on a swipe pour over a 20 by 20 centimeter canvas. If you are watching the replay, please do check out the regular artists in the lineup. Links are down in the description box.
A minute ride made me lose my way. 1 minute high, knew my life would change. And I was hoping that you could stay. The city lights, will that remain? Oh, I hate saying goodbyes. I wish that time went slow, but I know it ain't too long before we meet. Second makes it easier to keep on breathing. At night in my dreams I find peace, I remember it all. And all it takes is faith. Oh, I hate saying goodbye, and I wish time went slow, but I know it ain't too long for us. I wait for you. Everything's changing when I'm with you. I see all the clues. Feels like I'm fainting, blush like a painting, no colors of blue. I wait for you. No, I wait for you. Nothing can break us two. I wait for you. I wait for you. No, I wait for you. Nothing can break us two. I wait for you. I wait for you. No, I wait for you. Nothing can break us two. Babe, I wait for you. I know the next morning when the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would take it all back. If I could, I would bring back all the memories, not yours, only in my dreams. Oh, if I could. You know nothing at all about what's going down. Oh, like a shipwreck, I caught the sails loose. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. You told me there'd be better days, and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Hello, yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two. The good. There are other ways and other reasons, but only one that cuts to pieces. So why we tryna hide from trust when we could just leave? We fade, but we're better than that. Yeah, we're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. Yeah, I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two. The good. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Hardest thing to do. Did it all for you. Yeah, seems like we're back on start, but go. I go right and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two. Baby, can we kill this butterfly? Always takes too long, yeah, too long. I ain't got all weekend. We had a good run, yeah, good run, but the clock is ticking. I gotta move on, yeah, move on. I got things to do, all without you. Tell me how I can make this easier, yeah, guide me. I don't want you to get too hurt, there's no need for screams or shouts or ugly words, no. I'm done with getting hate from love, you see, love, you see, love. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long. All these butterflies gotta go. I just gotta be on my own. I've been loving you for too long, too long. Move on my own. I've been loving you for too long. I know you're eager to move on with us, but you know I never do the long-term stuff, so let go and hope for better luck next time, 'cause I'm done with time-consuming love, you see. Baby, can we kill these butterflies? They live and then they die, and that's the way I like it. I just wanna move on with my life. I've loved you for a while, and that's the way I like it. to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory. Whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding, in a while I know you're coming home. Tonight I know you will be coming home. There's a road, a way to get to you.
And here is a quick flyover of the wet result and a few stills of the flowers that you can see, and the swipe ball there. I think there may have been a tiny bit of coconut hair serum in my peach colour, so there are tiny little cells which you can notice when you get very close. But some of those flowers are really quite beautiful, aren't they? And others I struggled a little bit with, so in terms of blowing them out, so I need to really work on developing a bendy straw to use. And here is the dried result, which I've embellished with paint pens, temporary tattoos of butterflies, and pearl pens, which are 3D fabric pens, to do the dots in the middle of the flowers. I do hope you like it. It's really quite pretty, something different to what I usually do, and I really like this. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thank you so very much for joining me once again. Stay tuned, because we have the rest of the brilliant artists on the Fluid Art Express coming up, and right after me will be Venom Fluid Art, so hopefully you will join me in the live chat. So if you have any questions or you just want to have a laugh, you can join us. It would be lovely to have you. But if you're watching the replay, please do hit the like, share, subscribe or comment buttons and leave me a comment. Thank you for your time and see you soon. Take care of yourselves.